You can attract any person of the opposite gender you want, but it robs them of their voluntary choice to be with you. The God of your personal religion comes forth as the one true God, and he's got your back. If you're an atheist, you get to make one up. But she loves you, but he's got a personality you can't stand, and he thinks you're kind of a tool. You could see inside everything, but you would be socially alone. You become a superhero with amazing superpowers, but you are constantly sleep deprived and can't make good decisions.